something like this before. This is the AEG Test HOUND-3699. This is a radon detection system. I have radon. I live in a place where radon is a concern. It does come with a USB-C cable, so I recommend you do plug this thing in. This screen on the top is amazing. So I will put it on the measure feature here. You can see it's already sensing the amount of radon in my house. You can then cycle through different options here. So if I click the button here, it'll tell me the last 12 hours what the radon was. It'll even, it seems pretty clear. Last 24 hours, last 48 hours, 96 hours, and so on. All right. So this is running right now, sensing the radon that's in the house. Along with that, you can set up alarms. So if your radon hits a certain level, it will go off. All right. So really neat radon detection system. Definitely something you probably want to keep plugged in. It does have a battery, but I recommend you probably just keep it plugged in because this is something that you want to constantly monitor. So I don't know why you'd want to rely on the battery, but it does have a battery built into it. And yeah. So this is really neat, very clear. You understand exactly, like within the last hour, what's the radon percentage in my house. So right now it's 0.3, which is actually fine. You can also get a PDF printout. So if you're selling a house or something like that, you wanted to get that information out of this so you can give them to the realtor or to the new people, you can also do that as well. So that's really neat. You know that it's running. It has a little fan feature right here. So really neat, tells you exactly everything. I mean, I'm not sure what else there is to show you, but yeah, it's a really neat, looks like, I got the blue color, comes in a couple different colors. But yeah, this is something you probably want to keep plugged in your basement to make sure that your radon reduction system, if you have a radon reduction system, is working. All right, there you go. Really neat. It's the box it comes in. And it does come with a owner's manual.